Ready? Let's go! Wednesday
Wednesday?
is the day that comes after Tuesday and before Thursday. Colonel.
Colonel?
A high-ranking officer in the Army, just below a brigadier. The colonel's eagle pin is a proud symbol of leadership, symbolizing the American bald eagle.
Just remember how to pronounce it when you order your Colonel Burger at KFC.
Bouquet.
Bouquet?
A bunch of flowers arranged nicely, usually given as a gift or carried at a special event. Recipe.
Recipe?
Instruction to cook a dish with a list of ingredients. February.
February.
Second month of the year. Both are correct, traditional, and modern pronunciation. In the US, it's pronounced as schedule,
In the UK, it's pronounced as schedule.
a plan of events, timetable, or activities. Plumber.
Plumber?
Fixes and installs water pipes, taps, toilets, and heating systems. Often.
Often.
Means frequently, like something you do regularly. Probably.
Probably.
Something is almost sure, but not 100%. Like saying, maybe yes. Salmon.
Salmon?
A popular type of fish, often eaten grilled, smoked, or raw, like in sushi.